And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday urged global investors to explore investment opportunities in the country's energy sector, saying India is the most opportune place at present. Modi, in his inaugural address at the India Energy Week 2023, said the budget for 2023-34 has provided rupees 10 lakh crore for capital expenditure, which will give a boost to green hydrogen, solar power and road sectors. India is the most fortunate place for investment today. He said that at the Indian Energy Week, which is being attended by several ministers, corporate leaders and experts from different nations.
भारत की स्ट्रेटेजी के 4 मेजर वर्टिकल्स हैं। पहला, डोमेस्टिक एक्सप्लोरेशन और प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाना। दूसरा, सप्लाईज को डाइवर्सिफिकेशन। तीसरा, बायोफ्यूल्स, इथेनॉल, कंप्रेस्ड बायोगैस और सोलार जैसे ऑल्टरनेटिव एनर्जी सोर्सेज का विस्तार।